you think about where the state of the HVAC industry is, there's less technicians coming into the industry. There is a labor shortage that is not just for HVAC. Where we help think about the long term is how are we making technicians more productive? How do they know the problem before they get to a homeowner's home to work on the machine, putting the right technician and the right part on the right truck at the right time? So that drives productivity. It drives operational efficiencies across their company, and it also enables revenue opportunities that haven't existed traditionally in the HVAC space. But to operationalize that, you have to train the technicians, get smarter on every installation, and you're not only adding it to aging systems, but we're also understanding the state of new systems. Is that new system performing the way that it's supposed to be performing in the first 1, 2, 3 years while it's under warranty? And as that system continues to age, we have a history of that system. We know when to service it. Horizon knows when to dispatch it. You can validate that system is running correctly in the spring remotely or in the fall before the heating season. You can actually understand remotely through our technician app that, hey, your system, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, is running correctly, and you do have to schedule that service call at that time.